Hi everyone, got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2023 Road Glide 3, and this thing's got some extra goodies. We'll start in the front, work our way to the back. LED headlights came standard. This color is brilliant blue. You got LED turn signals. You got the nice engine guard going on there. Screaming Eagle heavy breather. This does have a stage 2 torque cam in it. 114 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission, of course. This does have the traction control, obviously the taller bars. Reverse, cruise control. Bike only has 8,567 miles. Stage 2 speakers in the front with the amplifier, of course. 6.5 GTS radio, so you have your Bluetooth and your navigation built right into there. And then in this little pocket, you got a USB port. Tour pack. I've never seen one on these before, but it's pretty secure on there. It's got the nice little, I don't know what you'd call those, to make sure that it doesn't flop around. Secure points. We got, full exhaust, by the way. So this has a stage 1 intake on it with the stage 2 cam, but it also has the head pipe, S&S head pipe, and then tab slip-ons. You got all LED out back as well. Bike's in great shape, got a lot of really nice goodies on it. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson, we're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.